Qualifications-based selection, step by step. Step 10. Execute a contract. Once the owner and the most qualified firm have defined a detailed scope of work and negotiated the project fees, it's time to execute a contract. Owners should use a written contract. The parties may wish to use the standard form of agreement of the American Institute of Architects or the Engineers Joint Contract Document Standard Form. These contracts are widely used, time-tested, and coordinate the needs of owners, contractors, and design professionals. But beware, contracts may vary due to the requirements of the funding source. The owner, through the normal process, authorizes the commencement of design services and thus completes the selection process. But wait, there's more. After interviews or technical proposal reviews and ranking are completed, prepare a post-selection memo to send to all firms that participated in the process. The memo should list all firms in alphabetical order and state the ranking of each firm. After a contract is awarded, provide a debriefing for each shortlisted firm if requested. The debriefing will include information on the ranking and scoring of that firm's proposal. Finally, the owner should evaluate the selection process for use in future programs. Congratulations, you've completed the qualifications-based selection process. There are free resources available on the web: a QBS workbook, forms and templates, and a QBS facilitator available to coach you through the process at no charge. For more information, visit qbs-mi.org.